Hello, what's up, guys? This is Cloud Joseph coming live and clear from Dubai Beach. This is Jumeirah Beach Resort over here, and I'm super much excited to be with my brother right here. Hey man, welcome to Dubai.
We reunite again, guys, which is very amazing and special.
A great reunion, but we are going to have some amazing life here in Dubai for just a little short time, and it should be super cool, super amazing, super beautiful, and it should be really good, man. How do you see Dubai?
Amazing and special. People enjoy their life, man. Things is so cool, beautiful, amazing. Yeah, you can't believe it's just like that, guys.
So things that you have been seeing on TVs are here.
Yeah, I'll just sit here, guys.
Me, I used to hear
See
Dubai.
how the people are maybe wearing their clothes, you know. Sometimes it looks like
They are very different.
maybe in some places you can say that this is to break rules,
Yeah.
or maybe you are just like, you know, oh my god, so
But to be honest,
Party.
fine. Kids, grandparents, moms,
you can
dads,
swim together
they swim together here.
and wear
Which is-
whatever you want, and maybe
Which is something which is super crazy back in my country. No one can allow you to do this actually.
yeah,
Super crazy.
they can even
They
maybe
say like,
break the rules, things like that. Yeah,
oh yeah.
you are take off clothes. It's like you don't wear any clothes.
We say it's like an abomination.
Yeah,
Some
things
are-
like that. So, which is very different in our country.
Very, very different.
It's like, so let me say this. Any country,
Yes.
they have their rules, and also maybe how they are living, you know.
Yeah, their life.
Just a different, total different life.
Their life.
Unless you need to say like that.
Yeah.
So that's why here, what you see here, that's what you're gonna see there. You see?
Yeah.
What you're gonna experience another place, that's what you are experiencing right here. So it's total different.
For sure. Very, very
And
different.
people are just enjoying about that life, you know?
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Just you understand, eh? It's just a part of life.
let me give them a short story. Guys, I was around and I came from my room and my brother was like, hey, I want you to take me to the beach. Let's go explore the beach. And I put on a short and he was like, man, go back and put on good clothes. And I was like, hey man, we are going to the beach. And he was like,
I
yeah.
was like, the guy is going to wear body clothes.
But when
I
he
don't
reached
wear
there,
such kind of clothes, but I got everything totally different. People are just enjoy themselves anyway, man. You can wear any kind of underwear right here
and he
and
was
survive. And people will appreciate, will say like, yeah, you are good to go, man, and enjoy yourself.
for sure, guys.
No
So
one will look like, what are you doing, eh?
to be
Or
honest,
maybe what you are doing is not that good.
yeah.
No,
So guys, yes,
this is totally different, multi places, you know?
yeah.
Yeah, so maybe you just know that people out here
Yeah.
are enjoying how they want.
Are enjoying life how they
Are
want.
enjoying how they want. You know? How they want.
So guys, let's explore here. We don't want to speak much. Let us explore because there are time people are saying, guys, Cloud, you want to show us, not to speak more. So let me change the camera and I show you how things are around here, man.
Yeah.
People, but it's like anyone can come here, but you sitting on these chairs without a towel, people will be like disturbing you. They'll see like, oh, this guy doesn't belong here. You see? Yeah. So you see each and every chair here has a towel. Yeah. So people are enjoying life, man. People are enjoying life. And this building, it's still under construction.
Yeah, but looks like it's finished.
Not really.
Oh,
Each and every day, people construct there.
no. And not only one, there is another one right there.
Yeah.
Wow.
The reason why I was telling you like I like the lady is because she's nice. She recommended me to have the other room because it has some oceanic view.
Oh.
Yeah. Even when I arrived, I was on how do you call it? No, I was in another room, but she suggested to be changed to the upper room.
Oh,
You
so
see, yeah.
Yeah, you was somewhere down.
I was somewhere down at 122. Now she's 400 up to 5.
Yeah, so now, oh my God.
Yeah, that's why I was telling you, hey man. So when people say like, oh, starting, you know, she did justice to me. Yes.
That is true. That shows more love, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, that is very nice. And for me, guys, we are in Dubai.
Okay. And that's up there. Let me show you. You see up there? No. This where this it looks like a television. It's a movie theater. You know, it's a movie theater, and this This down here, it looks like a Dubai frame. So it's a small Dubai frame. Yes. So this it's in here. It's a movie theater. People come here at night to enjoy life, watch movie, football, everything. No, outside. It's like outside. Yeah, outside. It shows you a TV, but in there it's a movie theater. And can you trace our hotel? Okay, good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy.
I got you.
You got me.
Oh, a lot. People are not going maybe to tell you a lot like what are you doing here? Or who are you? Something like that, you know.
Okay.
Which is very nice.
Hello, what's up people? This is Cloud Joseph coming live and clear from Dubai Beach, JBR Beach Resort over here in Dubai, and I'm super much excited to be around here, man. I want to take you around. As you see, let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this place over here, man? Super amazing, super cool, super beautiful as you see, and people here vlogging very freely, and man, I can't wait to show you. It's Christmas Eve right here and people enjoying life. Super great. Okay, so this area where you see like blue, it's super crazy, super amazing right here. We have explored much. Now it's time to say goodbye to this beach.
People you enjoy.
Like people will be like, why are you not swimming, man? I'll swim, I'll show you. There's a competition coming, so you stay tuned to this.
You can travel and crowd each other, just wait for it. Yeah?
Yes,
You're gonna see something crazy right there.
for sure.
For me,
Yes.
just waiting for me, bro. I'm sure I'll be the winner.
No, you cannot be, man. But actually, you are the winner. He's a fighter, man, and we can say also we are fighters because we fight so hard for him to be here, and we just forgetting it. We forget it. It will not happen again. We are so sorry for that, but guys, we have to end this video here. But stay tuned. As much as you are here, man, we keep on updating you of how things are around. We really appreciate your love and support, man. And as I usually say, traveling is not somehow, but it's expensive. If you wish to support Cloud Joseph and my brother right here, I usually leave my link. My PayPal is
Any
there.
kind of support, guys.
Yeah,
we
any
would
kind.
appreciate for that.
For that, guys. Yeah.
Now is no joke. This country, yeah.
Tell them how expensive this place is,
Expensive
man.
life right
Yeah.
here, guys. Expensive life.
Very expensive.
So you just come, huh?
And enjoy how things are.
Not just to enjoy. Do something, guys.
Yeah. Indian traveler, we really appreciate. Peace to you. Bye.
Bye.